Hello students, today we are going to discuss about our chapter Madam Ride the Bus of 10th class, and the name of the book is First Flight. So the chapter Madam Rides the Bus, it is written by Valli Kannan. So let's see what is the introduction of this chapter. This chapter focus on Madam Rides the Bus summary. In this story, the author is trying to present the world as seen from a child's perspective. The main character of this story is an 8 years old girl, Valli, who lives near a bus stop in a village. Valli develops a desire to enjoy a ride on the bus. For this purpose, she needs to reduce her expenses so that she can save enough money for the two-way fare. While on her journey, Valli does not want anybody's help and wants to feel independent. She enjoys every bit of her journey to the town. But she is careful enough not to get off the bus in the unknown localities. On her return journey, a sad accident spoils her mood, but she just keeps it to herself. Thus, she wants to explore more and wishes to go for the other ride in the future. This is a sensitive story of a Tamil Nadu girl, Vallamai, or you can say that Valli also, who is only 8 years old. She was curious to know about the outside world. Also, she did not have friends to play. So she keeps standing inside the doorway of her residence and watch people in the street. This was her favorite pastime because she is not having any friend, so that was her favorite pastime. However, she was always mesmerized by the bus journey. There travelled a bus between her village and the closest city. She started collecting information about the timings of the bus from her neighbors. The bus travels to the town near her village, which was approximately 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paise for the one way. So, Valli started saving money for the bus fare. She planned to travel in the afternoon when her mother was having her nap. Valli was standing on the roadside waiting for the bus. As the bus came, she told the conductor she wants to go to the town. The conductor was a jovial person. He called her madam and showed her the seat. The bus was new and painted in green and white color stripes. The bus was comfortable and seats were luxurious. On her journey, she enjoyed watching mountains, green fields, and palm trees, grassland. She was experiencing it all for the first time by her own eyes. On her way to the town, she saw a young cow that came in front of the bus while crossing the road. The driver blew the whistle and the cow crossed by. All this a very fascinating for Valli. It was like a dream come true for her. She was watching everything, but the outside landscape was her prime focus. After some time, the bus reached the final destination and all the passengers got down. The conductor asked her to get down, but she told that she was there for the bus ride. The conductor smiled, listening to her reply. Valli remained on the bus and had taken a return ticket from the conductor. The bus started, and on her way back home, she saw the same cow dead by the roadside. This made her heart cry. She thus became sad and tried to understand the meaning of life and death in her own terms. She came back home but did not share a word about the journey with her family. So student, that is the summary of the chapter. So now we will discuss about the question answer and we will revise it. So the first question is, what was Wally's deepest desire? So Wally's deepest desire was to ride on the bus which ran from her village to the nearby town. The words and the phrases which tell this are from the chapter, that is, day after day she watched the bus. And you can say that second one, that is, she wanted to ride on that bus. And many more sentences are there which shows us that Wally is having the deepest desire to go for a bus ride. So the third one, that is, this wish became stronger and stronger, or until it was an overwhelming desire. So all these words and phrases shows to us that she was having a keen desire to go for a bus ride. Second question, how did Wally plan her bus ride? What did she find out about the bus and how did she find the fare? So the question is, how did Wally plan her bus ride? So Wally planned her bus ride after knowing all the related facts like the fare, the time it took to reach the town, when it started to and fro. She found out all these details by listening carefully to the conversation between her neighbors and the persons who had travelled by the bus. She had to plan on two aspects. The first one, that is, the first aspect that was saving enough money to arrange for two-way fare, and the second one was to give a slip to her mother because a child of her age would not be allowed to go all alone. So she saved up the fare by resisting her desire to buy ice cream, toys or balloons. She had also killed her desire to visit the fair and have a merry-go-round. Third question, what kind of a person is Wally? So that question is, to answer this question, pick out the following sentences from the text and filling the blanks. So according to that, we can say that she was commandingly, she was simply have a desire to go for a bus, and she get on by herself, or you can say that she irritated by the behavior of conductor also, and she can do take care of herself. So and all these words, that she is just only 8 years old but she filled with lot of curiosity about everything. So we can say that all these words for her. Okay, so next question is, why does the conductor refer to Wally as madam? Why he said to him ma'am? Wally is trying to behave more mature than her age. She is trying to look overconfident and smart. The conductor is amused to see her self-confidence, as she behaves like a mature, grown-up woman. Also, she is quick in her answers to his questions. So, he addressed Wally as madam. Question number 5. What does Wally mean when she say, I was just agreeing with that you said about things happening without our knowledge? So, the answer is, Wally means to say that many things happen in our midst and in the world outside. So, we do not know about them all. Even if we know them, so we can't understand them completely. Question number 6. Why does Wally refuse to look out of the window on her way back? So, on her way back, Wally sees the dead cow. It makes her sad. So, she refuses to look out of the window on her way back because what was so beautifully a little while ago now looked so horrible. The memory of the dead cow haunts her, and it dampens her enthusiasm. Okay, next question. Why did Valli want to go to the stall and have a drink? What does this tell you about her? The question is, why did Valli want to go to the stall and have a drink? Valli did not want to go to the stall and have a drink because she didn't have the money for that. The conductor offered to pay for her, but she declined this offer. It tells that she was a wise and confident girl. She did not want to take obligation from the conductor. This also indicates that she is taught of not taking anything from strangers. So she may be a small child, but she knows how to behave properly in the outside world. That's why she refused it. Next question. What did Valli see on her way that made her laugh? So, a scared cow was running for her life in the middle of the road. It was jumping with tails up. The more intensely bus driver honked, the more furious its cramped became. So Valli could not control her laughter after seeing this. So these are the questions of this chapter. I hope student that you have got the idea. Best of luck.